What is up, everybody? Today we have another unboxing video, and today I'm gonna kind of do a little different. I kind of want to try something different with the setup, but we got another Yeezy Gap stuff from Yeezy Mafia. I got this a long time ago. If you watch my other videos, I've been saying that, I've been busy with, like personal stuff. So I got a lot of packages to do still. So this one I got a long time ago, and I'm finally gonna open it now. And I'm excited. I think it's the pants. I forgot what they were called, and I forgot what the hoodie was called. But let's go ahead and let's open it. Alright, y'all, so I opened it, and I forgot to click the record button when I was opening it. Damn. I thought I pressed it, but I didn't. Let's go ahead and check it out, what it is. Damn. This one's pretty thick and heavy. So yeah, I got my pants, and I got this hoodie. I think it's called the padded hoodie or something like that. I'm not sure, but I can't wait. Hopefully it fits. If you watch my other Yeezy video, or if you're a Yeezy fan, you know that sizes are completely different. Some things might run super big, or some things might run super small. So hopefully these two items fit. Too bad the jacket didn't fit, but I can't wait to get the blue one and the black one. But too bad they're always sold out. But let's go to my room and let's go ahead and talk about it. Alright, y'all, so this is the two items. So I don't know which one should we open first, either the hoodie or the pants. But I think we're gonna open with the hoodie first. I kinda wanna see how this one feels. Oh my god, this is gonna be hard. Never mind. And also don't mind the stuff in the bag, not just different clothes. But let's go ahead and check it out. This already feels thick and it looks kind of huge already. Oh damn, I forgot I got this one. Or I forgot that's how it looks. Damn, this one looks so nice, bro. I love how this one looks. I love that the bottom is like inside. I don't know how to describe it. It's like it's folded in. It looks pretty cool. That's what I like about it. And I love that the neck is like high. But yeah, this hoodie is pretty thick. Oh snap. Even the inside, even the hand is like inwards. Damn, that's pretty cool. So yeah, I really like this hoodie. I like this design that's like inside. It's folded inside with the body right here. That looks so dope. And I love that the hand is also folded inside. Too bad in Chicago is like 70, high 70, kind of 80 outside. So I have no time to wear this. So I got the hoodie in the black colorway, I think. Or this is the dark gray, I don't remember. But this was $45. And to be honest, it's not that bad for this type of material and how heavyweight it is. So 45 not bad at all. But yeah, this is the Yeezy Gap Balenciaga collab. It came out in 2022, I think. But I got this from Yeezy Mafia when they did the drop last time. But yeah, so far this is my favorite hoodie. Like, this feels nice. I like the design. I like that the body and the arms are kind of like inside. That looks pretty cool. So yeah, I'll rate this like right now 8 out of 10. It looks amazing. But hopefully it fits me. And then the inside, if I could get it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Check that out. That looks cool. I like the logo. Always been a fan of that logo. But it says Yeezy. And I got this extra small. I like this too. This feels nice. But anyways, that's the hoodie. Can't wait to try it on. But let's go ahead and open the pants. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and open the next one. Hopefully this one's easy. Last one's easy. Damn. I like the feeling of it. It's so different. This is crazy, bro. This feels so different. It doesn't feel cotton. It doesn't feel like nylon. It feels so different. And here's the tag again. I got a 28. Hopefully this fits. Hopefully it's not tight or huge. But damn, like, this feels so different. I never had a pant that feels like this. I don't know how to describe it. But it's very like, I don't know, probably like waterproof, that kind of like feeling, or that type. But yeah, I got these because these are my favorite pants from the Yeezy Gap thing, because there's so many pockets on this one, like right here, and of course like the main part right here. But damn, this feels super cool. It's got drawstrings and it's got the belt stuff, so it's kind of like two things in one. It's kind of like a jean because of this, but it's also kind of like cargo pants because of this. That's why I really wanted this one. But damn, I'm so happy I got it. Even if this doesn't fit me, I'm still happy I got it, just because I always wanted it. And I'm so happy I got the hoodie too. Too bad I opened this so late, because there's no time to wear this outside no more. It's like 70, 80 outside. And even this feels kind of like winterish, fallish. But I still wear it when it's night outside. But damn, this is pretty cool. But not gonna lie, it looks kind of long. Like, it looks pretty long. So hopefully this fits, bro. Come on. No way I have to go smaller than the 28. I did 28 just to play it safe. Damn, that's pretty cool. I didn't know there's like a button. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, the pants is pretty cool. I like that the zipper is like black. Looks pretty nice. But the price for the pants was $40. I like this. This idea is really dope. Like, this is really cool. He should keep doing that. I don't know why his new pants are like Velcro. Like, there's no zipper, there's no button, there's like nothing. It's just Velcro. And a lot of people don't like it because it could easily, like, you know, slip out, or, you know, if you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Like, Velcro is easily like out and in. But this is pretty cool idea with the button. I like the idea a lot. But this is how it looks inside. Looks pretty cool. I have a bad feeling this is not gonna fit though, but I do like the drawstrings. But yeah, it feels nice. I'll give this one so far a 9 out of 10. Like, this one's really cool, and I think I'm changing that to a 9 out of 10 too. But other than that, let's go ahead and let's try it on. Yeah, alright guys, so I'm gonna use my other camera as the mic, because I don't want to do a voiceover and do the react. Like, it's not my actual reaction, it's like doing the voiceovers at the end. But I actually want to record my full reaction. So again, this is the Yeezy hoodie, the Yeezy Gap Balenciaga hoodie. It's like the heavyweight, man. This one's super heavy. Too bad Chicago right now, like I said earlier, is like 70 and 80. So right now my room is like pretty hot. But also don't judge, I'm using another camera for the mic. But anyways, let's go and try it on. Damn, it's so heavy, bro. I forgot what size it was. I think it's a small. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm about to be sweating in this, bro. Alright, y'all, so this is how the hoodie looks. What y'all think? I think it looks pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, this is the heavyweight Balenciaga hoodie from Yeezy Gap. And to be honest, it fits pretty nice. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it fits pretty good. Like I said, it's cuffed in and it's kind of like cropped, so it fits pretty good right here. And I love the hand. Like, I thought it was gonna be loose, but it's still like tight, you know what I mean? Like, it's still good. But I love that the detail is like cuffed in. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pretty cool. I like how heavy it is. This is like a perfect hoodie for like winter and fall. Like, I love how this feels. So comfortable. Like, so far the Yeezy Gap hoodies has been like very nice. Like, I'm not even lying, like, this feels good. Even the other perfect hoodie felt good. Yeah, like, this feels so comfortable. I love the colorway, it's perfect. And like I said, I don't know if you guys see it, but like the neck, I love that it's high. And I love the logo right here. Looks pretty cool. With the hood on, it makes it more like comfortable too. It feels like more secure and more like warm. I guess what I'm trying to say is more like installation. Like, it feels really nice. I could never find a hoodie that feels this perfect. Like, it feels such like a pillow or like blanket. Like, it just feels so comfortable. I don't know how to describe it. It feels so soft. I feel like I could sleep in this. Man, I'll rate this like a 10 out of 10. Like, I think everybody should get this type of hoodie. Once it's fall and winter, like, this is really good. So if you have money to spend, make sure to go to New Republic, or if you follow Yeezy Mafia on IG, make sure to go ahead and cop something when they do the drops, because man, this is really perfect, bro. So yeah guys, I like it a lot. 10 out of 10. Let's go ahead and try on the pants. Alright guys, so this is how it looks, and I have mixed feelings about it. These feel so different. They don't feel like cotton like I said, or even nylon. These feel a little rough when it's touching your body a little bit, but these feel really good. Like these are perfect on the waist. Like it's not tight. A 28 is not tight, 28 is not big. Like the waist feels so good, but the only problem is the length. Like it's kind of long, a little bit long. Maybe in the camera it doesn't look baggy. I don't know if you guys can see when I raise my leg, but they are kind of baggy in the bottom because they're kind of like long. But other than that, like they're pretty good on the waist. Like they don't feel tight or anything. I don't need to wear a belt. I think they feel kind of like secure, you know. They look pretty cool, even though they're kind of baggy. I feel like I could still rock it. So the one thing I like about these that I've been saying is that they got this pocket in the front, so it's pretty cool. I like when pants do that. Got another one here, and it's got your normal pockets here. And like I said earlier, I really like the there's a button. I think it's cool and different. But other than that, like the pocket goes all the way over here, and it's pretty deep too. Like you could fit like you probably could fit like a Glock over here. You know what I mean? Nah, I'm playing. But these do feel like kind of hot, so these are perfect for like fall and winter. But I feel like with these, I'm wearing my normal shoes I wear like every day, like my beaters. They don't really fit it, but let's go ahead and try some boots or like Yeezy stuff with it. I just want to show you guys how it looks a little bit more like to the legs. They're pretty like baggy, or not baggy, they're pretty tall, I guess. I feel like I could go size 27. If I go size 27, I feel like I don't need a belt at all. I feel like it would just lock in. But the legs is kind of like tall. Like there's a lot more like, you know what I mean? But this is how it looks on with the desert boots. And it does fit the desert boot, I'm not gonna lie. I finally got cool pants to wear with them. If I go 27, they might be a little bit too tight on the top, you know? But lengthwise, I feel it would kind of be better, but at the same time I feel like you need to go 26 with that. Alright guys, so this is how it looks with the desert boot on. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can see how like lengthy it is. But at the same time with the desert boot, desert boot, knit runner boots, it looks pretty nice with it. I'm pretty sure I'll wear these pants with it. Yeah, with a hoodie or like, you know, like a sweater when it's winter and fall. But yeah, these are pretty cool with the knit runner boots. I like how it looks pretty dope. Let's try out other ones. Alright guys, so this is how it looks with the 1050s on. I feel like these do not fit with it. I feel like it's way too big for it. I have other pants that look better with it, but they're not bad, I guess. But these are pretty cool too. And this is how it looks with the desert boot, the salt colorway, which is my favorite shoe. And I feel like these actually do fit it, but you guys gotta let me know. I feel like they fit this boot a lot. What y'all think? Maybe next time I'll go try a 27, right? But I feel like even with 27 it would be kind of still lengthy. It would still be kind of like tall. You guys think should I tailor it or what? But I feel like they kind of fit the desert boot better than the 1050s. And then for the last one, I got the 950 boots on, and these do not fit with it at all. I feel like they look really out of place. At least we tried other shoes with it, and too bad only two worked, like the desert boot and the knit runner boot, in my opinion. But would you guys get this? Let me know. Would you get these type of pants? If you're tall and you're 28, these will actually fit you. Alright, so for the last one, I kind of just want to try these Mad Infinities from Adidas. They look kind of cool. I think the desert boot, the knit runner boot, and these basketball shoes look really cool with it. What you guys think? Let me know. Alright guys, so it's been like a couple weeks, and to be honest, I've been wearing the hoodie. Sometimes it's been cold. Like I said, Chicago is really different. But anyways, I will actually recommend going true to size. And to me, I'm really surprised about that because Yeezy on clothes and shoes are always different sizes. So I'm actually surprised that you need to go true to size. This is an extra small, like I said, and I'm gonna show you how it looks earlier with the clip. But if you like it cropped like that, it fits really good. Like I love how it looks on the body. The only reason why I'm saying you need to go true to size is because the neck part, if you see right here, it is kind of like not super tight, but it is kind of tight. You know what I mean? Like you're not gonna choke, but it is sometimes like on your neck, or like I don't know. You could just, it's kind of like I said, it's not really tight, but it's like tight. I feel like if I went true to size, this would have been had like more space. You know, like I would have had more neck room right here, and also the hole to put your head in is like a little bit tight too. Like I said, it's not super tight where your head can't fit, but it is kind of tight. So yeah, I will go true to size for the to put it in. But again, if I went true to size, I feel like the body part right here would have been like more longer, and of course the arms would have been longer. But like I said, it's up to you on how you want to wear this. Like to me, it doesn't bother me the neck part right here. The extra small did fit, like the body, the arm, it fits really good. The only problem I got is just the neck part right here. So that's the downside of it. But other than that, I would say go true to size. But if you do have like a thicker neck or like a wider neck, it will bother you right here if you're getting this hoodie. So I would recommend going true to size. But if you want to crop from the body part and the arm, and if you're fine with a little bit of this like touching you, then go one size down. But other than that, the quality is so good. I still love the hoodie. It's perfect. And let's move on. Too bad the pants didn't fit. They feel so good, but too bad they just don't fit, you know. Like I said, the waist of 28 feels really good, but too bad it's kind of long. So if you're tall and you're size 28, these will fit you. Still love the design, and I love the material. I love how it looks. I love the pockets right here in the front and the back. It's pretty cool. I love the button. That idea is cool. But overall, cool stuff. The jacket's cool, the hoodie's cool, the pants is cool. Hopefully I get the jacket my size, and hopefully I get another colorway of the hoodie, and I'll get other stuff. Like I want the Dove t-shirt. That one looks really cool. I always wanted it since it came out, and probably just other stuff. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, let me know what you think of it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.